So you said to me, how do you move this? This is like 6 years old, right? You dig around the root ball, okay, which is probably this big. You dig around it slowly, right? Go around with the shovel and then get deep enough that you can pop it out. This could take a little while, go round and round. You right, pop it out, go over there, dig your hole, put it in, put a little compost in the hole, water the hole, put the water all in there. Put the dirt back in, some of the dirt that was there already, some compost, whatever. Close it all up, press down firmly. I do this with my foot. Water again, okay? Either with or without mulch on there. I like mulch because it helps with water retention and weed suppression, and that's it. Then you keep it watered. You water it every day, particularly if it's hot and it's not raining. Just water every day for a couple weeks. Notice if it looks unhappy, if it's drooping. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then you keep watering. It's just like you have to watch. If it's cool, you don't have to water as much. If it's hot, you have to